When you open up Adobe for the first time, you're in this project opening space. The home is what they call it. And if you don't see this screen, sometimes you'll just see Premiere Pro at the top. You can always go File, New Project. And that will take you back to this space right here. Kind of look for the blue buttons. It helps you go to next steps. And it allows you to open up projects that you're currently working on. But if you're starting a new project for the first time, you're going to want to do this. Now this is new. And what this is doing now is it's actually looking at all the media, and it's allowing you to import immediately by looking at the desktop or documents or downloads or locations that you may find things. The home version of this just shows kind of all the places that it looks, but the desktop starts searching for things that you currently have on your desktop. But this is not naming a project or creating a project. This is the part where you're importing media. If you go to the upper left-hand corner, this is where you will start doing projects. So I'm just going to call this New Project. Depending on the project, you might also, or the class, you might also do period. So I'll do period 7. And then you also want to know where that project location is. This goes through previous locations that you've used, but I'm going to choose a location so that you can see how it goes back to the Finder app to help you figure out where you want to save it. And generally, you're working on the desktop and you're trying to find the folder that you created. So for the class that I'm working with now, it's the montage group. That's an intro class. I'm just going to hit choose so that it's saving this project folder here. So if I hit choose, then my final step, and I've seen some people get stuck here, you can choose media to add in right away, or you can just hit create because you can always import media later in the import phase. And then you've got your new project, and I'll show you really quickly where that will be. So in this case, it's period 7 montage, and I called it new project. So it's really important too that your project files end up in the same folder as all of your media. And I've mentioned that before, but it's just a point because then you can move the entire project around easily. That's it.